Hey there, I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Today in this video I like to share you guys how to shoot my overhead video with a phone. So now talk about the lighting setup. I am using ring light for my main light. So now I am using normal stand with a gorilla tripod, and it's helped me to take a better overhead shot. If you guys don't have any stand and tripod, you can use this type gorilla pod and mobile stand to take a better shot. Then now talk about the decks. I am using these types of two colorful art paper, and I am using these types of colorful tree and flower and one candle and some showpiece you can use, and I am also using these types of light. It's helped to look your video more attractive. So now talk about the sound quality. I am using a BYM1 mic for my video because this is the best for the beginner, and this is also budget friendly. At the same time, you also use this microphone, your DSLR and phone. By the way, I am not an expert for these types of video. I am just a normal guy. I just like to share you guys how to I shoot my overhead video. Okay, this is all about my today video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S. Allah Hafiz.